picnic walk. Owen, are you excited?
Yeah.
Is it gonna be fun?
Yeah.
This is gonna be super fun.
I agree.
You do? Okay.
Do you have fun?
Yes, I am having fun. Owen has the camera. You're so cute. Chris caught a little lizard.
Yeah, it's super cute.
Let him go. My little lizard.
There he goes. He's not moving.
There he goes. Right now we're picking up my other aunt and then we're gonna go on our picnic walk. We are officially on our picnic walk and we're heading to the park. It's so pretty and we're almost to our picnic spot. Hey Owen, are you having fun? Yeah? The boys are all the way up there riding their bike. So we're almost to our picnic spot. So here is our picnic spot. We always have our picnic walk picnics here. Owen, are you excited? We're gonna have our picnic. Owen, where are you gonna sit? Where should we put the blanket? You're right there? That's a good spot. Right there? Okay.
Wow, good job, Michael.
Look at Michael, he's getting so good.
Okay, hungry little birds waiting for their foods. He's over there. He's looking for something. Okay,
Let's see, the first
pull out the treasures.
Our first treasure.
Mint cookies. Yay! Oh, Owen can't wait. Capri Sun! Capri Sun!
And another treasure.
This one for you, don't worry.
Okay, here, everybody gets this,
All right. Whoa, did it explode? Oh my gosh.
What the heck?
Annie Ann is the official cheese cracker maker. There's our little vultures.
Okay,
Do you like cheese crackers, Omi?
coming.
You do? Are you gonna have one?
Oh, I can keep up with any demand.
We gotta get them out.
Hey, Nanny goes like super speed, and then
Yeah,
we
she
all
does.
eat them super
She goes
speed.
really fast.
Even I
Yummy.
You already have so many.
Who wants the quadruple cheese sandwich? Do you want it, David?
How about you eat it? That's pretty big.
Well, it's gonna be kind of hard to eat.
Oh my gosh. That's, oh my gosh. Look, wait, oh
Sliding apart.
my gosh. That's insane.
Owen.
Hey, hold it down.
Here we go.
Okay, let's see who can.
Enan is literally
do
like a
this.
professional pro at this. Like, it's insane.
Everyone's
waiting.
This is what.
Oh, we're out.
Oh,
Switch hands.
Switch him up, hurry.
Oh,
We still got it, we still got it.
We got it.
Whoa, don't overload the cheese.
Oh my
That's
God.
why.
They like
Save it,
it
save
more.
it, save it. Whoa, the cheese is like 2 different colors. That's cool. Here.
Anyone else? Anyone?
Yeah. Perfect. She's a pro at this. She needs an award.
So we took a vote and we decided which one's the winner.
This one's way better.
Almost everybody agrees the Great Value cheese actually
this
tastes
one is
better.
good.
They're both good, but we decided the Great Value one had better flavor,
Yes, more flavor.
which is more flavor, but the other one's good too. What did you get?
Keep it less on each one just so we can save it.
Mmm.
Well, I can tell this is probably half full. So we're still okay.
And yeah, this should be your job when you're older. Well, you're already older.
When I'm grown up, this will be my job.
Yeah, so there's a big thing that moves. You just make a bunch and set them on. It's called Annie Ann's cheese cookie shop.
Oh wow.
You just set them there.
cheese
and then
cookie
there's another
shop.
machine that pushes them down.
I would go to the shop
and,
every day.
and it puts a little candy wrapper on it and puts it in a bag.
Oh wow.
And so you just keep going the whole day.
That would be an excellent job.
I know, Abian would love it so much.
There's no such thing as eating too much of these. Like, they're so good.
That's too much.
That's too much? You finish it. You can finish that.
Last one.
We're running out of cheese.
Yeah, any second.
She's wondering how the heck we eat them so fast.
Well, I don't wonder. I know.
Oh no. That was the last bit of cheese.
Alyssa gets some.
Oh man.
Last bit. Anyone want to suck that off?
I didn't.
Okay. There's one more. You could suck this one off if someone wants.
There we go. You guys are greedy little kids.
That's a really cool bird.
He's excited because he has a lot of cookies. I said, how many can one baby have? And he did that little laugh.
I have 2 cookies. I have 2 cookies.
So we finished our picnic. You guys like the picnic?
Yeah, great.
Oh, and was it good? Yeah? Oh, you want to hold the camera? And now we're gonna go head back to our house and finish the walk.
So we're just heading back. Here they all are. Cute Owen. Owen's enjoying this a lot. And then there's Michael up there riding his bike because me and Zach taught him how recently. And look, you might see it. Michael and David are up there. So they're riding bikes going and they're just walking and it's a good time.
Bye. Thanks for the picnic.
Bye.
Okay, we'll see you later.
Bye, Omi.
Say bye, Annie Ann.
Bye, on the ground.
Okay, bye.
Bye, guys. Love you.